Hello, my name is Jonathan Valdez and I have come to present my project talking about the subject of technology. I choose the topic of technology because it seems to something very interesting and important about our daily lives. Human beings use a multitude of objects and devices on a daily basis. The alarm clock that helps you wake up, the microwave to heat breakfast, the bus, computers, etc. All these objects that facilitate our daily life have arisen from the ingenuity and inventiveness of being human to the science in charge of devising and building objects that solve the needs or human problems is called technology. Technology can be classified in different ways depending on the characteristics and that are taken into account: flexible technology and fixed technology. First of all, it refers to technologies that can be applied in multidisciplinary way. In the case if the fixed one its only use is the one for which it was conceived at the time, and it is very difficult to give it a different use. Soft technology and hard technology. Um, Hard technologies, they use elements of the hard sciences such as engineering, mechanics, or mathematics, physics, and chemistry. The product obtained is visible and tangible, that is, it is the production of material goods, for example, the development of a mobile device. Soft technologies, they are based on the humanistic or soft sciences such as sociology, psychology, and economics. In general, they are used to improve processes and achieve greater efficiency in institutions or companies. The product obtained is neither visible nor tangible, since it consists of the development of services, strategies, theories, for example, software development. According to the American sociologist James David Thompson, flexible technologies, they are established in different areas, that is, they have various uses. For example, the microchip that is used in telephones and computers. Fixed technologies, they are used for the production of a certain product or in a certain area. They are design technologies and produced for a single purpose. For example, rat poison is used only for the elimination of this animal according to the level of innovation. Cutting edge technologies, also called high technologies or latest technologies, they are more advanced technologies available at a certain place and time. Appropriate technologies, they are technologies that are designed taking into account the environmental, social, and economic impact in a given society. According to your application, operational technologies, they are obtained after a long time of study, observation, and experience. Computer, computer technologies, they are developed by the manufacturers of a certain product. Product technologies, they combine tools and knowledge to produce a certain product. Origin and evolution of technology. Instinctively, from the beginning of history, people sought to develop technology, techniques to improve their quality of life. The discoveries that man has made over the years have shaped the world as it is known today. Therefore, technology has existed since the beginning of the species, although it was not called such as until the century 23. Formally, technology has its origin when technique, first empirical, begins to be linked with science, and thus the production methods are structured. structured. Throughout the different periods of humanity, there have been discoveries that modified the way in which the human being relates to himself and to the environment that surrounds him. Stone Age, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. It was characterized by the use of stone for the manufacture of utensils and the development of agriculture, with rudimentary tools for managing the land. The discovery of fire was one of the first technologies that brought remarkable benefits to humans. Age of metals. It was characterized by the development of agriculture, animal domestication, and the transition from nomadism to sedentary lifestyle. This meeting of copper, bronze, and iron was developed. The Egyptian civilization is credited with the discovery of papyrus and pottery. The Romans developed a sophisticated agriculture, improved the technology of ironwork, and developed civil and military engineering. Chinese civilization is credited with the discovery of paper, the iron plow, the compass, the propeller, the crossbow, and gunpowder. Middle Ages. The emergence of the modern printing press was one of the most important milestones of this period. Industrial Revolution. It was a period of social, economic, and technological transformations characterized by the development of an urban and industrialized economy. One of the most prominent inventions of this time was the steam engine. During the 19th century, the telegraph, the light bulb, the telephone, and the automobile emerged. 20th century, there was a great technological development with discoveries such as the airplane, radio, television, and the computer, as well as important advances in nuclear technology applied to medicine and space technology. Within this century, the information and telecommunications revolution or the information age took place. 21st century technological progress, also called the scientific technological revolution or intelligence revolutions, evolved rapidly. Technology and communication transformed industry. New technologies of those emerged the Second World War. Its rapid growth and insertion in society brought important consequences. The risk is fundamentally in that the human being is able to control and dominate them. Importance of technology. Technology brings great discoveries that make it possible to improve production, save time, increase the quality of life, facilitate life in society, shorten distances, and get to know the planet. Technology emerged as a need for man to meet individual and collective desires using scientific knowledge and techniques to solve problems and satisfy their needs. It has allowed the human being to know in depth the environment that surrounds him and to modify it to achieve his ends. Through the centuries, man invented and modified tools to improve his lifestyle. Technology has brought discoveries in the field of medicine, advances in access to information, communication, and transportation in the simplifications of tasks. So far, my project is finished. I hope it has been to your liking, and I thank you for your attention.